Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to the chat for me, guys. Come on, please respond, please respond. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, you can hear me, you can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which are covered in our design. Yes, we discussed about JDBC. Yes, when you're speaking about JDBC, the very first point, JDBC architecture. Totally 7 components are there. First one, JDBC API. After that, driver manager class. After that, how many types of drivers are there? What is the use of a driver? What is the use of a driver? It acts as a bridge between Java program and a database. Of course, 4 types of drivers are there and we are using type 4, thin Java driver or pure Java driver. Okay. Drivers. After that, respond, connection interface. After that, how many types of statements are there? Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. When we need to use this statement, when simple SQL query for one time. When we need to use prepared statement, one SQL query for multiple times. Kindly please do remember prepared statement deals with parameterized SQL queries. Just like a parameterizer method, when we are speaking about a parameterizer method, we can pass any number of parameter. I mean, any times, how many number of times we can pass? We can pass. Yes or no? Each time whenever we are calling that method, we can pass different parameters. Exactly like that. When you speak about parameters SQL queries, same query will be getting executed multiple times, but with different parameters. Yes, and after that, callable statement. When we need to use callable statement, or callable statement is going to deal with stored procedures and functions. Procedures does not return anything. Functions return some value. Okay. One more time. JDBC API. After that, driver manager class. After that, drivers, connection interface, statements. I'm sorry. Result set interface, and then SQL exception. Yes, lot of topics we already covered in all these. And after that, we discussed about transaction management. We discussed about connection pooling. We discussed about row sets. Do you remember row sets? Row set, scrollable result set, non-scrollable result set, and the connection pooling. And yesterday, no, day before yesterday, we discussed about metadata. Yesterday, we discussed about streams with JDBC also. So up to here, all the programs are present in your laptop. And are those working? Okay, that is good. That is good. All right, guys. Now today, just a small concept, very simple concept is left behind. That is batch processing. Batch processing. Now today, we will try to write that batch processing program simultaneously, parallelly. Very simple code, easily you will be able to understand. And after that, I want to give you an assignment. I'll show you some requirements. I want you to write the code. Is that okay? So, all right, let's please open your laptops, please. Come on, go ahead. Open your laptops. Is it done? Okay. Just a second. Shaikh Sahil sir, explain yesterday's code once. Sahil, I already explained yesterday's code. If you need it, kindly please try to meet me once the session got completed. Why? Because this is not like a one-to-one session, Sahil. I hope you're understanding me. Yesterday we discussed about nearly four methods we covered. Four methods, blob and clop. Four methods we covered. So if I'm trying to explain yesterday's code again, you know it, I know it, what happens. Today entire session will be gone. So feel free to meet me once the session got completed. I'll try to help you with that. Okay. All right. Now, guys, eyes on the board, please. Hang on. Don't go with the code. Just a minute. Please help me. There are these two tables. EMP11, Pro 11, and EID, ename, PID, pname. EID is actually primary key. PID is also primary key, and all these are varchar. Okay, now what I want you to do is, please give me query. I want to create the table. I want to create EMP11 table. Just tell me the normal query. Go ahead. Hang on, word by word. Create table table emp11 parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis eid vrch here varchar 2. Shall I go with 10? After that, where I need to write the primary key? Here only I need to write primary key. Here, here, PR, PRIMAR primary key. Oh, MARYKEY. Is that correct? What I need to write? Is it correct? Okay, primary key. After that, comma, name, varchar2. This is the query for creating the table. Okay, now please tell me one more query for creating row 11 table also. Create table, row 11, PID, varchar2, 10, primary key, and here P name. P name? Yeah, just a second. PID, and this is the query. Yes? Any changes? Okay. Now, inside that EMP11, I want to insert one record. Only one record. Tell me the query for inserting the record. Insert into EMP11 values. Let me go like 101, comma, EMP name. Just let me go like my name. Okay. Same. Please help me with the query. Oh, sorry. Please help me with the query here. Insert into row 11 values. Let me go like 101 pro ID also. I'm going to give 101. And here, tell me a product. Laptop. Okay. S24ULTRA Ultra. Ultra. I'm just trying to write like this. As simple as this. Okay. Now, guys, please listen. My intention is I want to pass all these queries as a batch. What? As a batch. Generally, what do you mean by a batch? Normal. What do you mean by a batch? It's a group. For example, you are a batch. Group of people. Exactly like that. Group of queries. I want to keep all these queries. I want to add all these queries into a batch, and I want to execute all these query at the same time. That is nothing but batch processing. Are you understanding the point? One more time. All these four queries all these 4 queries, I want to give them at runtime. My Java program should wait, what? My Java program should wait for my queries. Oh, okay. Wait for my queries means, can I use a scanner class? Can I use scanner class? Okay, I'll be using scanner class and I'll be trying to give these queries at runtime, and I will add these queries to my batch and I will execute the batch, I mean entire batch. If I execute the batch, automatically all the queries will be getting executed. That is nothing but batch processing. When you're speaking about batch processing, mainly we are having 3 methods are there. Add batch, add batch. It's a parameterized method. It is a parameterized method. Whenever we are using with statement, we will be able to use this for statement, prepared statement or callable statement. Let's try to deal with statement. Whenever we are using batch processing with statement, add batch method is a parameterized method. Okay, how many parameters? 1. Type string. You need responder. Type is string. So for the first time, how many times we need to call that batch method? Add batch. Listen, guys, please concentrate. How many queries I am having? 4 queries. How many queries I need to execute? Please answer. One more time. How many queries I am having? How many queries I need to execute? How many times I need to call add batch method? 4 times. 4 times, na? Yes. For the first time, I'll be trying to add this query. After that, one more query. After that, one more. After that, one more. So add batch method, I need to call that add batch method for 4 times. Okay. So can we use that add batch method inside a for loop? Come on. Tell me, in for loop, you know that we need to write 2 semicolons. 2 semicolons. First semicolon, okay, int I equal to 1. Why 1? First query. Tell me the condition. Less than or equal to? Absolutely. Why less than or equal to 4? We are having 4 queries now. One more time. For loop int I equal to 1, semicolon. After that, I should be less than or equal to. After that, I. Now I'm trying to call add batch method from statement. From statement interface. How to get that statement interface? Con dot? Come on, guys. Yes or no? Okay. How to get that connection interface? Let's do one thing. Let's try to start from the beginning. Right from the beginning. I'm speaking about right from the loading the driver. Tell me the code. Class dot for name. Inside the parenthesis, we'll be giving the, after that, driver manager dot get connection URL, username, password. It is going to return connection. And then we need to call con dot, come on, create statement. Con dot create statement. What is its return type? Statement. Now I need to call add batch method. What is the method? From statement interface. So what is the code? Tell me. STMT dot add batch. Add batch method is a parameterized or non-parameterized? How many parameters? Type. How many times I need to call this STMT dot add batch method? Respond. So where I need to write this STMT dot add batch? Inside the for loop. Are you getting the point? Now, as you said, add batch method is a parameterized method which accepts only one parameter, that is of type string. Now my requirement is I need to give this queries at runtime. Tell me where, which method I need to use? In scanner class, which method I need to use? Next or next line? Let's go with SC. SC dot. Where I need to write that SC dot next line? Where? Inside? Inside? Not for loop. Okay. technically inside for loop, but I need to pass that as a parameter for add batch. Are you understanding the point? So I'll do one thing. I'll ask the user. My intention is first I want to ask the user how many queries you want to enter. User will be giving some 4. I'll store that in one int. I'll use that in my condition where inside for loop, and inside the for loop I'll be trying to call a method. Which method? I'm sorry, how I'm going to call? stmt dot add batch. I'll add all my 4 queries. After adding all the queries, I'll be using a method. Just a second. I'll be trying to use a method. Tell me which method I need to use. Respond. Execute batch. Execute batch method return type is array. Int array. Execute batch method return type is int array. Right now, how many queries we are having? First query. Whenever you are using create, basically that create command, return type would be 0. 0. Okay. What is the second query? What it is going, if any updations happen, what it is going to return? Are you getting the point? 1. What is the next query? Create. I mean, we are trying to create pro table. Yes or no? What is its return type? Yeah, we'll be getting 0. After that, insert. What is the value? So in my array, what are the values will be there? 0, 1, 0, 1. Are you understanding me? That's it. That is batch processing. That is only batch processing. So shall we try? Let's go. Come on. Create a program. Go ahead. Okay. So don't create any table in the database. I want to create table directly from our Java program. Don't create any table. If there is any table first, let me try to drop drop. What is the query? Drop table emp11. After that drop table pro 11. Just let me try to. Okay. Now opening our Java program. Okay. JDBC 14. Is it 14? Right click. Go to new class. JDBC row 14. Finish. Done. And obviously I need to get my values. Okay. Fine. And now void, just let me try to go like method 1. Shall I take connect method? Let's try to go with connect method. It's always a good programming practice. Even though we'll be using only for one time. Let's go. What's wrong in that connect? And here C1 and ACT1 connection. And then ACTI1 connection, and connection con equal to null. After that, try CATCH catch UXCP1 exception e dot print stack trace method, and here class dot for name driver driver manager dot get connection URL, username, password, and equal to con. Yeah, just let me try to RET and return con. That's it, done. Now, let me try to, okay, SISO implementing batch processing. Sure, implementing batch processing. Okay, now here, let me just try to write try CATCH catch. Okay, EXEP1 exception E. Okay. Now inside the try block, I'm going to call the connect method. Guys, I hope you are able to follow my code. Please help me. Yes or no? Okay, that is good. Equal to con belongs to connection interface. Okay. Now con dot create a statement equal to stmt belongs to statement interface. Now I need to ask the user. So let me just try to take a SCANNER scanner. Okay. Equal to SC belongs to scanner system dot in. Okay. Done. Now coming here. I'm going to ask the user SYSO how many queries, what is it? How many queries you want to add to the batch? Okay. Now integer dot percent sc dot next line. Okay. Equal to just number of queries. Okay. Number of queries. Okay. Of type int. All right. Now for loop, two semicolons, open braces, close braces, int I equal to 1, I should be less than or equal to number of queries, and here I plus plus. Execute, right? Completed batch processing. Okay, that is good. And after that, stmt dot add batch sc dot next line. So after that, system dot out dot println number of queries added to the batch. Okay, just an idea. 4 queries added to the batch. After that, what we need to do? Execute stmt dot exect execute batch, and as I said, its return type is an array or WCONT row count. Just let me try to make it as int. And if you want to view the data also, we can view plus arrays dot toString row count. That's it, done. E dot print stack trace method. Just a simple method. That's it. And after that, if I want to remove it, stmt dot clear batch. All the queries which were present in my batch will be cleared. And execute. Done. In a matter of 10 minutes completed. This is what the power of practicing. Please execute and enter the queries. You want, okay, to see the queries. Queries are also there. Feel free. And please check once your execution is done. Please check table created. Did you inserted the values? Give the queries correctly. Otherwise, you will be getting an exception. SQL exception. Please give the queries correctly. After adding all the queries, just execute. Call the method. What happened? Make sure to enter the queries correctly. Where is your laptop? Guys, next time onwards, if you are present in my class, you should be having a laptop. When I say laptop, the laptop should be working. Please don't say sir, charging is not there. If it is not there, I'll not allow you to my class, please. Where is the problem? Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. How many of you done? Raise your hands, please. Nice. Good job. Girls, how many of you completed? Good. Carry on. Make sure to give the queries correctly, please. Code is perfect. Queries. Online students, I request you, if completed, Please make sure to message me in the chat, guys. Otherwise, I'll not be able to know. Please make sure to message. Yeah, that is good. Litin, Samprat, Shivani, Samyajit. Yeah. Come on, come on. 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Come on, guys. Code is simple. Be fast, right? Solve it. Solve it. It's not code error. Yeah. Krishna Radha Kishan. Oh, your name is Radha Kishan. Sure. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Don't give all the queries at the same time. One by one, you need to give. Are you giving all the queries at the same time? I mean, how will you be giving all the queries at the same time? What is the use of writing for loop? Why you are writing for loop, ra? Why those write only one query, execute only one query? Oh my god. You need to add one query at a time. Don't add all the queries. Okay, let me main method. Now inside my main method, new JDBC Pro 14 dot method 1. I'm going to execute. right click, run as Java application. Okay, implementing batch processing. How many queries you want to add? Four. Four queries I want to add. Okay. So you are getting confused with this. Okay, we'll do one thing. Let us just try to add a one more small line. Just try to add one more small line. System.enter.println enter enter your plus I plus, just try to write like this. We'll see. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, how many queries I want to enter? Four. Enter your first query. So this is basically my first query. Okay. After that, enter your second query. Enter your third query. Oh. Enter your fourth query. How you will be, why you need to give the semicolon whenever you are dealing with Java program? Come on. Up to now, in any query, did we give semicolon? Then don't give semicolons, please. We never gave semicolon in any Java query, right? So don't give the semicolon. I'm getting a headache. And kindly please do remember, guys, just a second. Listen. Just a minute. Just a minute. Please listen. Stop coding. Important point. Listen. Please listen. Whenever you are dealing with this batch processing, you will not be able to work with select commands. Select. Why? Select commands will be giving you return type as result set. It is not compatible with batch processing. Just remember that. Okay. That's it. Is it done? How many of you completed? Please raise. Okay. So I have an assignment. Shall I give you the assignment? All right, guys. Online students, I need you to kindly please respond. Okay. I'll wait for another 5 minutes and then I'll give the assignment. 5 minutes. I just want to give a fair time for everyone.
डाटा इंसर्ट हो जा रहा है डायरेक्ट पर उसमें फेस करने का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है
Data inserting. Uh,
while I'm fetching the data I require करने का भी सीधा
which data you are trying to fetch, blob or cloud data?
flow data flow
Execute. Let's see.
so that's all the data is inserted
You are getting B as null because execute query is not working properly. What is your query? You are having a problem here. Select file and store data, my data to where ID. Okay. What is the ID you have given? Open the database.
only one by one
So let's start from my data to ID is 101. Uh, please show me the description. My varchar, it's varchar only. Okay. It is 101. No, this is 101. Okay. Okay. Nana. Here we are using SQL2. Okay, okay. You are not one. Data is getting retrieved. So up to here, okay. Version of Java you are using.
it's the problem
Try to go with Java 17 and check. Okay. Just try to execute with Java 17 and check. Still, if you are getting any doubt, then we'll see. Right? All right. Time's up. Is it done, guys, for everyone? Okay, that is amazing. Okay, now let me just try to. Guys, please listen. Up to now, yeah, lot of programs we had covered, lot of concepts we covered. Right now, I'm gonna give you a small assignment. So I'm gonna give you 40 minutes time. I'm gonna give you 40 minutes time. I want you to do this assignment. Could you please do that? Very easy, very, very simple. But the only thing is absolutely no discussions. No discussions. Okay. And remember, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with server side programming, servlets. Okay. All right. Now the task. This is the task. Go ahead. Eyes on the board. No, eyes on the board, please. Please look at the question. I'm sorry, just a second. Guys, whenever you are having such kind of questions or problems, don't start the code without understanding what you need to do. Take time. First, understand the question. Step one, understand the question. Step two, create an idea in your mind. Get an output in your mind. Then execute the code. I mean, first what you need to do, like that. Okay. Now, please stop previous coding. Stop. Time up. Time up. I gave you ample time. Look at the question. Use prepared statement. Your wish. That is my requirement. You can use any queries. I don't mind. Feel free to use your own SQL queries. Feel free to use your own SQL queries. That is the assignment. That's it. Tell me how many tables you need to create. Food and okay. From the Java program, which record you need to insert, which data you need to insert from the Java program, which data you need to insert, food or orders. Absolutely perfect. Carry on. Start. If you are able to give this assignment correctly, yeah, you are good in JDBC. No turning back. Please take this as a challenge. Go ahead. Remember to use result set correctly. You are having scrollable result set also. Think about it. The limit is your imagination. Carry on. Time is running. 12:10. Aditya sir, why we are using clear batch? Just to remove all the data which is present in your batch. That's it. Remove the queries from the batch, from the memory. No, don't discuss. Try to get it by your own. Try. Don't discuss. You can do this. Yeah, because after creating the table, continue with the code. Wait, and Shivani said, do we have any concept like data source? Shivani, data source means that's an interface, Amma. It is going to work as an alternative for driver manager class. It's far more better than driver manager class data source, but not right now. That will be in ORM tools, not exactly right now. If you are speaking about the performance, data source will be having more performance. It's an interface, just an interface. Works as an alternative for driver manager class. Just remember like that. First, have an idea what you want to do, how you need to do, get that image on your mind, and then write the code. Remember, you need to calculate the total price basing upon the number of quantities user has entered. For example, I'll select two. What is two? Pizza. And I'm going to select four. So what would be my total cost? Tell me. 1000. Two is the ID and I need four quantities. So 250 into 4. Get that. You need to display the total price. Feel free to hard code. I don't mind. I just want the output. That's it. You can hard code also. You can write boilerplate code. I don't mind. I just want the output. That's it. Once you got habituated with the programming, then you can avoid hard coding. You can avoid boilerplate coding. Fine. But first, try to make this happen. Online students, I guess you are working on the assignment. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat. I know you guys are working, but just for my confirmation. Kindly please try to message me in the chat, guys, if possible. Online students, don't ignore. Yeah, that is good. That is good. Please carry on. Please carry on, guys. Impressed. That is good, Samjit. That is good. Go with remaining also. Please don't quit. Some people are just quitting. I can see that. Don't quit. Try. Try. Please try. You know the concept. Try. 100% you know the concept. Please try. Don't quit. Never. Come on, push your limits. You can do this. And one more time, I'm requesting Please make sure your laptops should be completely charged. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to deal with server-side programming. Mostly tomorrow, we may not write any code. If time is there, we'll try to write the code. Tomorrow, theory will be there. Please be prepared, write little bit notes. How many of you completed displaying all the food items? I'm impressed. Good job. Down. That is good. That is actually good. Nice. That is nice. No discussions. Right? Write the code. Please write the code. Please try to write the code. So Nageshwar, batch update exception, how to solve it? Whenever you are getting any exceptions on batch processing, damn sure there is a problem with the query and your table, database table structure. Please check with that. Yeah, Ramakrishna, sure. Please don't quit. Try, don't quit. What happened? You completed? Show me the total. Yeah, total bill. Please display the total bill. You inserted. And I want to see the orders also. View all orders. Just show me that. But Max, done. Good job. Nice. That is nice. One person completed the entire assignment, almost 95%. For every order, the ID should be different. That's your wish. If you want to use scanner, you can use. Otherwise, use auto increment. Order ID is a primary key, na? So obviously we need to change it. My advice, auto increment. Done? Good job. 2 people completed, guys. Three. Okay. Guys, listen to me once, please. I'm sorry to disturb you coding. Just listen to me once. Listen. I know. Just a second. Guys, when I started our first JDBC program, I told you, did you remember our first JDBC program? We did not insert it, we did not retry it. Just simply connected our Java program to the database. On that day, I told you, guys, if you are understanding the first program, remaining programs will be easy. Same, exactly like that. Server-side programming, servlet programming also. First program, if you are understanding it correctly, remaining all will be very easy. Trust me when I am saying that. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with servlets. Mostly tomorrow theory will be there. If time is there, I'll be trying to go with the programming also. Make sure to bring your laptops. 100% your laptop should be charged. Kindly please make that happen. Okay. And today, this assignment, make it complete. Make it done. If you completed this, then only you'll be getting a proper idea about JDBC. If you completed this, then only you consider yourselves as you are ready for servlets. That's it. Okay. So yeah, this assignment, feel free to take a screenshot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I'm done for today. We'll be trying to continue since again by tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with servlets. Dot. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. Pratiksha, you want to take a screenshot? Just a second, Amma. Okay.